My boss asked me to create a report, so we are going to create a dynamic annual report like this. Look, it looks so cool. This vlog will be separated into two parts. First, we need to create a pivot table. Click Insert, choose Pivot Table, select Existing Worksheet. Click OK. Select Product Category, Totals, then we got a pivot table. Copy the table, paste, select Sales, then update the titles. Select two tables, click Design, select a style you prefer. Now, we need a slicer. Click the table, click the Insert, select Slicer, select City, click OK. We need to connect the slicer with two tables. Click the slicer, click Report Connections, select both tables, click OK. Adjust the position and choose a style you like. Look, it is so easy. Did you get it? We are going to create pivot chart in next video. Like and follow for more tips and tricks in Excel.